video I'm going to show you how you can make from a lollipop a very beautiful rose. You can use this as a gift for your loved ones. It's a beautiful decoration, and whenever they wish, they can take out the lollipop from inside and eat it out. In case you're new to this channel is all about party decorations, holiday decorations, and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on the red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and you stay updated on all my future uploads. In case you're interested in this backdrop, in case you want to see how to make this decoration, I'll be putting a link in the description below and also at the end of this video. You can click on it and see how to make this decoration. I have here 5 pieces of crepe paper. I took pink crepe paper, and the size of each piece 5 by 9 centimeters. We'll put these pieces on top of each other and we'll fold it in half like this. And from here we are going to make a cut which is going till the edge. I have here toothpick. I'll take one corner like this and I'll fold it over the toothpick to make it curl a bit. That's the same I'm going to do on this side as well. I'll put it on the toothpick and I'll curl it with the toothpick. That's what I'm going to do with all the pieces. Next I have green color crepe paper. The length of the green color crepe paper is 10 centimeters and the width of it is 6 centimeters. We will take one of these crepe papers, fold it in half, fold it again, and one more time. Here from this edge, we are going to make a sharp cut, which will go till here, not till the edge, but till here. And we'll open it up. We'll pull the pink crepe paper a bit, not too hard, otherwise you might tear it up. We'll place our lollipop in the middle and we'll cover it up like this and put a piece of tape on it here on the bottom side. We'll take a second piece and we'll put a piece of tape on it again. Next we'll take the green color paper that we made and we'll cut out the excess that we have here. In the same way we'll take a piece of tape and we'll paste it on the bottom side here, underneath here. Next we'll take our last piece of green color crepe paper and we will simply roll it and paste it with a piece of tape so it doesn't move from its place. And here is our rose. Let me know in the comment section below what you did think about this lollipop flower. Please don't leave this channel without subscribing, and to check all my other videos, and I'm sure you'll find amazing decoration ideas to make your occasion special.